What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some Roblox, and yeah, Beestorm Simulator. You know I didn't play that last time. Yeah, I just said, oh, it's boring. So yeah, this is like boring. I got a little upgrade here, not like a hack or anything, but there's a. Are those bees with no? Oh my god, I'm like a robot. Oh no. Okay, that's bad. Let's wait until it upgrades. Yeah, now we're good. Okay. So, wait, let's move my face cam real quick so you guys can see. Yes. My honey is over 80,567. Oh, that is crazy. You might be guys thinking like, is this a joke? No, it apparently isn't because like.
Any video?
Yes.
Can I come say hi?
No. So, yeah.
Hey, Christian subscribers! He's really good at gaming, so make sure you subscribe
Emma,
right
stop.
now! Woo!
Stop! Okay, sorry, that was my disturbing sister. Comment down below if you don't like her. That was obnoxious. But I have 80,000. Honey, if you didn't see it, I would not show it. But yes, you might think like it's only for 10,000 if you play Roblox, but it's a pocket belt. So yeah, those are not my bees, but I got more bees packed up. If you guys want to look, let's just move the face cam so you guys can see the honey, just in case you didn't see it. Yes, I did tell you guys that. Oh, I thought he was gonna let me. I was like, oh my god, I'm receiving a treat. Oh no, he's rude. Well, it's his, so. And yes, I might have a lot of classic bees. I don't really know how to play this game. You guys might be wondering, like, what? Or I don't know, I forgot. I mean, like, what? You have 80,567 honey. Oh, bro. Talk to Brown Bear. Okay. Hey there, I'm Brown Bear. You have heard of Royal Jelly. Oh, yes, I know of Royal Jelly. Okay. I know about Royal Jelly because I'm good at this game. What? How do I get up there? How do I get the Royal Jelly? Oh, I'd probably go up here. I'm so stupid. But, oh my. How do I get up?
From where? Oh.
How do I get up here? Okay, I was kind of concentrated.
You just don't know where to go.
Oh yes, Honey Storm. Okay, that was my mom. Don't roast her in the comments or anything, just saying. Because that's kind of rude. Oh no, okay. Yeah, I don't know how to get that Royal Jelly. Like, If you gotta do something. Mommy.
What?
I have a question. I'm making a video right now in the Beestorm Simulator. I'm trying to get Royal Jelly. Never mind, you might not know. It's pretty hard for me too. Another honey storm? I'm making a video right now. Might not know that though. Yay. Okay. Well,
Emma, do you have any buns on you? I think I caught this liver dish.
okay guys, I don't really know. I just want to get
No, it's not confused. We're going to do something really not fishy. You're going to miss Big Brother tonight.
I'm not. Practice ends at 8, and if we wait for fast forwarding time, hopefully you guys do, because
climb up? No, okay.
where is it?
I was very concentrated and then I was making a video, so yeah. But let's forget about that Royal Jelly.
You have practice?
Is that Royal Jelly up there?
Oh, yeah, tonight.
Oh yeah. I still haven't got that Royal Jelly.
Yeah, I'll probably bring the I texted you, but you didn't respond. And then I tried to you, I was like,
Another honey storm.
yeah, I was gonna make sure that you.
Well, how many honey storms are there? Who's even doing this? Okay, this is pretty weird.
There's a new queen in town. And,
Yay! Okay, let's try to get this other Royal Jelly.
I need to get a picture. Hold on. Put it like this. Hold on. That's the new thing these days. Taking a picture of your food.
Wow, I'm so close. Okay. Let's just focus on the pollen. I mean, I don't really need the pollen. I might do an update. No! Oh! F5. Will click for me? No. Well, it looks like I have to click all buttons. I don't really know how to do all the click buttons. I don't even know if it's a thing. Here. You guys want to wonder which one I'm using? I'm using an HP Pavilion bow in something, I don't know. Yeah, that's what it's called. If you guys want to like find out what kind of laptop it is, I mean, it's a pretty good laptop. You can turn it into a tablet. Yeah, it is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I made it. Now this is the part where it always falls. No. Okay. Okay, let's just worry about this pollen. Yeah, I know it might sound annoying, the clicking on the laptop, but Yeah, I mean, I don't have a mouse. Because I left it in my sister's car.
Savannah, you were 20.
Yeah.
Now remember, Tracy's coming up tomorrow, so I thought we could all have dinner. Oh, wonderful. I'm very happy that he's gracing us with his presence. What was that supposed to mean? Just didn't think you thought.
Okay, oh my gosh. 58 million? Oh my god, I wish I was like him.
The one that tells on people.
Look at all these good people.
Tracy
Who are good at the game. Oh, gun drops! Yay! Yay, gun drops! I was wondering how they do it custom, but then I found out from watching the YouTube video, so yeah. Oh my god, look how much sticky progress this is. You like that one day? Oh my god! Oh, this is why! Oh no, oh no, okay, I seriously need to get out. What if spider just pops out and gets out? It's like, oh no. Oh, this is bad. Okay. 59 million. He's close to 60. How do you get so much? Look at how much pollen he has. Oh yeah, I'm gonna spend it for honey. I mean,
We'll take a detour. Oh, come on.
I wonder what kind of bag that is. Look at how much his mouth. Look at that. You might not see that much. Wait, hold on.
Thank God for me. I've got my tanning equipment. And
Okay, guys. Now you can see 750,000 pollen. Wow, that is a lot. Oh, he forgot his honey.
Do you really know what you're doing?
Please have another honey swarm. I thought just the honey swarms came from random stuff, but no. You have to summon it. In the instant converter, I thought you could spend one ticket. Oh, it's a deal. But no, every time you use it, you have to spend tickets. So, yeah, I don't have that much. I spent like 2 tickets. You might think, like, oh, that's so bad. But, I tried. I tried. Very, very hard. Because I'm not like these good people at the game. Yeah, have more than six. Like that dude, right there. Okay. She's running so fast. Comment down below if you play Roblox now, and if you play Bee-Swarm, and tell me what's your honey amount. Yeah, I really want to know. Because, like, I love Bee-Swarm Simulator. I thought it was like catch bees and like they fly all around. It's gonna be so hard. And no, it was like how do you catch bees? Once I watched the video. I can't move. I seriously can't move. Oh.
Stuff is hard to get off.
Savannah, you should have thought of that before you painted your
Okay.
name. Made it like an M&A.
Well,
I like the virtues.
I don't know who can come up with all this stuff.
Okay? It's a good idea.
okay, guys.
You tell me.
Yeah, I think it's time to go. So, goodbye, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, notification bell, so you never miss any of my gaming videos. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, and goodbye.